Hello. I am going to make some of my own work today while I talk about Saya Woolfalk, one of my favorite contemporary artists. Thought, why am I doing other crafts when I could be making some of my own stuff? So Saya was born in Japan. Her mom is Japanese and her dad is African American. And she grew up between Japan and the US. And her artwork deals a lot with multi-cultural meldings. She makes these amazing sci-fi fantasy beings, empathic beings. So she imagines this world where humans and animals, not humans and animals, humans and plants meld in this like future utopia world. I've listened to some of her talks and she discusses how cultures are really influenced by each other and that there's this universal commonalities. She works as a teacher in a lot of places too, discussing how, what's the future of humanity look like? What kind of world do we want in the future? She's created a whole universe, a language. Her installations include video and painting. Video, painting, digital art, costumes, dance. I chose her as an artist of the week when we were doing, during our solar system unit for kindergarten, when we just finished a group project, solar system mural, and it had been the first group project since COVID, and I was very nervous, but I took inspiration from Saya Woolfalk because she works with a lot of different artists together. She works with multimedia artists, dancers, costume designers. She also has a really wonderful like color palette. It's really rainbowy and futuristic. Kind of thinking like, what would the world look like if we were like truly multi-cultural, like I don't know, like we were able to take the best of humanity and create this utopia world. Pretty cool. So Saya has work all over. She actually had some work at Times Square that was pretty neat. She has some work at the Seattle Art Museum that I saw years ago dealing with African masks. Her empathics, her artistic beings, empathic beings. They also have spiritual practices that encompass a lot of like humanity, continuation of what other people do, like what we do too, like music, dance. There's one really beautiful one about like divining with clouds. Pretty cool. Saya Woolfalk, Artist of the Week. Highly recommend you check out her exhibits. She shows all over the US and internationally. So she's an artist you could actually probably go see some of her incredible work, installations. I saw an interview by her during COVID. That was very interesting. So I hope you enjoy. I'm just gonna keep working on this and then check back later. Bye.